Hi guys, my name is Juliana Adam.
And I'm David. We are now here at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Our startup is called Me.Reka. Me.Reka means I make or they. It's also very similar to the word Merdeka, which means independence and liberation.
Me.Reka Makerspace is a place that does not constrain you to the traditional creative processes. You can come here to turn your ideas or designs into reality.
Me.Reka has a wood and metal workshop, a textile workshop, an electronics lab, and a design studio. Apart from being a regular makerspace, we also run classes and interactive learning experiences to teach people practical and vocational skills not taught in formal education.
With access to 21st century making equipment, we get an opportunity to push the potential of what we already have and let it evolve and merge it with other influences.